Now question number 39 says this function fx is positive and monotonically increasing or decreasing in which of the following interval. So first we'll solve the interval where this function is positive or negative. So we'll write this as x cube minus 5x square minus 8x by 3, and it should be greater than 0. So we can take this x common. We can write x square minus 5x minus 8 upon 3. It is greater than 0. So we can, so the critical points are 0 and then 5 plus minus, and will be 25 plus 32 under root 57 by 2. We can put it on number line. We can write 5 minus root 57 by 2 and then 0 and then 5 plus under root 57 by 2. Now rightmost is positive. So this is plus, minus, plus and minus. So it will be positive when the value of x lies between 5 minus root 57 by 2 and 0, or when it is greater than 5 plus root 57 by 2. Now we'll find where this function is increasing or decreasing. So for that we'll find f dash x. So we'll find f dash x. We can write 3x square minus 10x minus 8 upon 3. Now we'll factorize. We can factorize this as 3x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 8 upon 3. So it will be 3x plus 2 x minus 4 upon 3. We'll put it on number line. So here it will be minus 2 by 3 and then plus 4. So it is plus, minus and plus. So it will be increasing when x is less than minus 2 by 3 or greater than 4, and it will be decreasing when x lies between minus 2 by 3 and 4. So in this interval, when x is less than 5 minus root 57 by 2, this value it is negative, and 5 minus root 57 by 2, this value is actually less than minus 2 by 3. So in that case, this function will be an increasing function. So this function will be negative and increasing in this first interval, which is minus infinite 5 minus root 57 by 2, and then it will be positive and increasing in this second interval. So answer to this question is option number C.